When opener starts with 1 no trump, responder with a weak hand with 0 to 7 responds their 5-card suit or longer. So they bid 2 diamonds, 0 to 7, 5 or more diamonds. They bid 2 hearts, 0 to 7, 5 or more hearts. They bid 2 spades, 0 to 7, 5 or more spades. Remember, 2 clubs we're saving out for our stamen, which we did in last class. So 2 clubs is our special stamen bid. But all of the other bids are natural 5-card suit or longer. And Oswald said to himself, well, what if I have 8 to 9 points? I can't really show a 5-card suit, particularly in the majors, when I have 8 to 9 points. I can, if I have 10 or more points, bid 3 hearts or 3 spades with my 5-card suit, right? 1 no trump, 3 hearts, 10 or more points, 5 hearts. 1 no trump, 3 spades, 10 or more points, 5 spades. Or I can bid 4 hearts and 4 spades. 1 no trump, 4 hearts, 10 or more points, and 6 hearts. 1 no trump, 4 spades, 10 or more points, and 6 spades. But this 8 to 9 point range hand had a problem. And so he said, I'm going to solve that problem by continuing to transfer. And today we're going to see how the transfer bid, so we're going to have 1 no trump, 2 diamonds, is going to transfer to hearts. And 1 no trump, 2 hearts is going to transfer to spades.